My outfit's insane. Ain't that evident? My chain had another chain like it was pregnant. My favorite dish is turkey
I love when black people say like that.
Even my pajamas designer. She got a fat ass and make a rewind. Backseat so big I press recline. Got a dirt Sprite in my cup holder. Rappers like roadkill, they get run over. They get ducked over. It's just one soldier. This floor make you fall like it's October. Me and your girl, nigga, opposite of sober. Celine Paris change on, look like a cobra. Young Casanova. Baby Romeo, I got my girl geek, she look like she from Tokyo.
You got 2 chains, right?
Got my girl geek.
2 chains. The song of the week.
I get it. You like this guy, don't you? I do. I like him when he talks about nice, like expensive things that I don't. That's the main reason I like him. But I like the beats though. You have to admit, most of the shit they say is stupid as fuck, but you like it.
I do.
No, like everyone.
Yeah.
People like it because it's bad, because there's nothing else. Like
true.
Roman, besides he listens to Kendrick Lamar and what's that other thing? play a song by Chili Bang.
No.
I wanna hear what it is.
No.
Please, Wussy.
No.
Please, Roman, you want to, huh? You like Shitty Bang? Look how high he is. Look at him.
I know, he's hella high.
You bitch. We just smoked only 2 joints, and how are you that high?
Damn, Chicho. Shut the fuck out, nigga.
I'm gonna fucking lick your mother bitch.
G5 sitting on the runway. Big ass chopper, call that bitch Beyonce.